Hi! Hi! Good morning! My arms are small, my legs are small, my feet are small, my head's small, my eyes are small, my eyebrows small, my nose small, my mouth small, and my belly small, my hiney big.
Tell me why my dog's eyelashes so long and luscious. Look at these. Oh, she blinked for you. She's giving you a show.
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man.
He throws a fit if I don't do this while I am getting ready.
Yes.
Hey, Kevin. Oh, no. Is your name Kevin now? Oh, no. What have we done?
You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses. You right to jail.
Are there any puppies?
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog.
No. You do not bite. No. No. Are you done? No. No.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Oh, your breath smell like...
Graham crackers.
No. It smell like tin cans of bounce that ass. That's what it smell like.
Bounce that ass. You know what happened to my heart?
What happened to your heart?
Well, when the first time I told you, when I saw you, my heart fell in love with you.
Get off my neck right now. Get off my neck right now. Oh my God.
Okay. Move this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, hit it. Move this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, hit it.
Come. Sit. Speak. Lie down. Good boy. Come. Sit. Speak. Lie down.